Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can unblock someone who you have already blocked on Grindr. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Grindr application. And on the top left, you can see there is your profile icon. You want to simply tap on that. And once you have done that, you want to tap on settings down here. After you have done that, scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, there is a button which says unblock users. Simply tap on that. And over here, as you can see, there is the person you have blocked right over here, and if you tap on them, it will ask you if you want to unblock this user, or if you have blocked a lot of people and you want to unblock all of them. On the top right, as you can see, there is a unblock all button. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on unblock all, and there you go, your unblock is successful and you unblocked the person you blocked. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what videos you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.